Hello, Edison High School. Welcome back to another edition of the Edison News. I'm your host, Stevie G, and I'm here to present this week's news. Let's get into it. If you got any news you want here, let us know. Speak to Mr. Espinal in room 140. The blood drive is coming October 22nd. Give blood, save a life. You can even donate if you are 16 with parental permission. See Ms. Brocious' HRT student leaders for the forms. If you're 17 or older, you just need an appointment. Schedule yours today. Seniors will receive community service hours if they donate. Remember, if you've had a tattoo done in Pennsylvania in the last year, you are not able to donate. PA does not regulate tattoo artists.
New voters. If you will be 18 by November 5th, you can vote in the next election. Register online or with a paper application. See Ms. Lowry or Mr. Stanzak for forms. Make the Road will be here registering students on Thursdays during lunch periods. Voting, it's your right and your voice.
The Sprint 1 Million project is back. If you are in need of a cell phone, please see Ms. Whitman in room 341A to place an order. Permission slips are in the main office, must be completed and turned in by October 3rd. That's tomorrow. You have to do this before tomorrow. Phones must be pre-ordered from Sprint. Do you need Wi-Fi at home but it's just too expensive? Well, you can get affordable home Wi-Fi for only $9.95 per month plus tax. No contract, no credit check, no installation fee. They've even got affordable computers for $149.99. If you're not good at using the internet, they've got free internet education. For more information, go to internetessentials.com. This offer is exclusive to households under the National School Lunch Program, Housing Assistance, Medicaid, SNAP, SSI, and others. Are you a runner? If not, would you like to become one? Join our students' run team and train to run in the Broad Street Run in May. See Ms. Rivera in room 243 for information. Seniors, the FAFSA application opened yesterday. Here's the things you're going to need so you can apply. Professional email address, your social security number, your 2018 taxes, that's if you worked, your driver's license number, a list of colleges you are applying to or have already applied to, and your FSA ID. Speak to Ms. Rivera to make your FSA ID. Now your parents are going to need some things too. You're going to need their email address, their social security number, their 2018 taxes, the records of their assets and or untaxed income, and their FSA ID. Like before, speak to Ms. Rivera so she can help you make this. Remember, the earlier you do the FAFSA, the more likely you are to get more money. The FAFSA Challenge Kickoff. It's going to be on Thursday, tomorrow, October 3rd from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. It's going to be in the School District of Philadelphia Administration Building Atrium. The kickoff will cover College 101 and scholarships with financial planning professionals. There will be snacks, games, raffles, and prizes for all, along with light refreshments. You're going to have plenty of chances to win prizes from the Philadelphia 76ers. Do you have charisma? Do you like to share news with the world? The Edison News needs you. If you'd like to host a segment right here where I'm sitting, reach out to Mr. Espinal in room 140 for an audition. Thank you for watching. If you or your company would like to sponsor the Edison Film Department and our efforts, please reach out to us in the comments below.
Welcome back, everybody, to the 2019 Philadelphia Puerto Rican Day Parade in the great city of Philadelphia. Now, the Edison High School folks have been waiting patiently through the commercial break, so we'll go to them right now. We'll tell you a little bit about them after they're done. So check it out. Edison High School performing with over 1,300 students, the pick of the crop here to perform for us in the Puerto Rican Day Parade. Here they are.
And Dance in the Jungle. Give it up for Thomas Edison High School.
Very cool. As mentioned, that was Edison High School. That school is fantastic, serving 1,300 students from Philadelphia through their emphasis on technology, inquiry-based learning, and vocational skills. They're preparing students for both advanced education and entry into the employment market. They strive to grow the community for their leaders for tomorrow and today. Edison High School is proud to be a part of this time-honored tradition, and this year is proudly sponsored by Keystone First. They presented what they called a dance in the jungle, artwork provided by Congreso OST, and this year is proudly sponsored by Keystone First.
Join our students run team and train to run into. Okay. Imagine.
There we go. 3,